Hey everyone, Gil here at GrayManPrepping. Got a little product review for you here. This is a 4-piece temperature and humidity system. The numbers on the top there, the 70 and 37, that's the temperature of the unit in the room where the unit itself is. This is in my office here. Now, below it on the left it says number 1, and that's 65 and 45. That's in the master bathroom. The 69 with 40% humidity, that's in the laundry room. And then the 71 with 40%, that's in the dining room near the wood burning stove. So I'm going to go on and show you where these units are, and you can see exactly what sort of condition they're in and how they're reading. Alright, so let's move on and check them out. Alright, so here in the laundry room, number 2 is hanging up right there. So it tells me what the temperature is here in the laundry room and the humidity, so I know whether or not I have to turn off the blower going under the house because it's too humid in here. So right now the humidity is still in the right range, so I can just let it keep on going. Okay, number 3 is over here on the spare fridge in the dining room. This one's going to go under the house when I actually go under the house to do some more counting. Right now I just got it sitting up here, and it just gives me a little bit different data point for how the temperatures are in the house. Alright, so here in the master bath up here, this is number 1, and so I know what the humidity is in the master bath and the temperature, so I know whether it's too cold to take a shower and I need to crank up the heat or not. Alright, so here we are back again, and as you can see there, the difference, from the bathroom to in here and the dining room, and compared with the laundry room. Okay, this here is the unit on Amazon, and price is changing. It was 23% off yesterday. It's only 20% off today, and it comes in 4 different colors here. So let me move the cursor around. So the white here, which is what I got, is $32. Yeah, it's nothing off for the cream. The wood is 6% off. That was 30. It was 23 yesterday, and then the black is 6% off oil. So the prices are fluctuating on this daily. So anyways, so those are your options on getting it. I just thought I'd share that with you. I will put the link to this down in the description down below, so you can check it out yourselves. And with that, I'm going to wrap this up, and I'm going to leave on the end screen here a couple of videos you might be interested in, including our 1,000 subscriber giveaway.